Hey there! So you're ready to learn a little bit more about Universal Design for Learning after you've looked at the down and dirty video and maybe put a few of those into application. Right now I'm focusing on digital applications, especially in light of what we are being asked to do for contingency plans in case the university moves all of its coursework online. But now you are looking at the Padlet. So a Padlet is a relatively free resource. I do pay for it, but I think you can get a few of them free, and it's a great place to organize information for yourself or for the learners that you're working with. This particular Padlet on Universal Design for Learning that I created for the Center for Faculty Excellence. So the Lunch and Learns, everything that we've talked about over the course of the year is organized in this Padlet, and you can see it's organized by a few columns. So in the first column, we have these UDL core concepts. And what you do is you just move your cursor over to the first column and then scroll down. And all of the resources are there. What's kind of cool is you can put documents. So this is a short document on UDL in the brain. And if I click on it twice, it opens up. And I have the document here. I can read it this way. This is actually a PowerPoint that I was doing that I made into a PDF, which you can put PowerPoints in here for your students. If you want to download it, you can click right up here at the top and you can download this PDF for you in another resource. Or this one is a video. I can double click on this. The video will come up. Go ahead and pause this and watch it later. So they also can be downloaded so that your students or you can have them forever. So UDL Core Concepts is a place you may want to start. There's some articles on what does UDL look like. This is a practitioner article. There's a free ebook on Universal Design for Learning. And then of course the godfather of Universal Design for Learning, Dr. Todd Rose, also has some explanation there. The next column is UDL and high impact practices. This is what we talked about the last time we had a lunch and learn. How do high impact practices and Universal Design for Learning work together? And we talked about rubrics. And this is an article that crosswalks UDL and high impact practices. This is not a practitioner article, so it's a research article. Next, we have UDL in the brain, because we had talked about that. We have some research articles as well as some practitioner articles that you can look at here. This is a really interesting one. 6 potential brain benefits of bilingual education. Next up, we have UDL and articles on UDL in post-secondary, which is us. Then we have how to use digital content. So these have some articles, and I believe there's one video on using the practices that underpin Universal Design for Learning or the framework in your digital content. And then these are videos for interesting thinking. This video on Adam Grant on original thinkers, really interesting. He did a TED Talk. He's very funny. And the surprising habits of original thinkers. Jane McGonigal is a gaming person. She's, I think, the first person who got a PhD in gaming in California about 10 years ago. This one is the mysterious workings of the adolescent brain. And although our students and we are not adolescents, we still have brains that are impacted by hormones. Dance Your PhD is a great video on, it's the result of a contest that Science Magazine puts out every year. Have people who have written their dissertation to create it into a dance, and then we can see those there, and I think you'll enjoy that. So this is your second part of your deep dive into UDL, and I hope you enjoy it.